An air conditioning fan.
Different things in an air conditioning fan can be creating sound energy. It could be one of the motors, but it could also be air resistance. If push air to another area of the home, if the intake is too small, motor noise is reduced by quieting the compressor.
An airplane taking off.
When the airplane is take off, it causes sound energy because of the exient of its heave over the runway with a repute for the act of the wind.
Sound energies are played by the aircraft engine, which converts chemical energy into mechanical energy while taking off. A balloon popping.
The reason behind the sound energy in balloon popping is the sudden release of pressure. This higher pressure causes bigger bursting. The sudden rupture of stretched rubber contributes to sound.
Sound energy in a microwave.
Microwave causes sound energy during operation because the magnetron uses high voltage to generate the microwave frequency that cooks the food and normally emits a low hum. However, if the magnetron is damaged, it may begin emitting high-pitched sound energy.
A broom swishing.
When we clean the floor using a broom, then the sound energy is created, which is called swishing. The broom consists of a brush of strands, hence the broom creates sound energy while swishing.
A buzzing bee.
The bee causes sound energy by buzzing because the wings of the bee flap very rapidly. These wing beads create vibration in the wind near them and cause sound energy.
Fireworks exploding.
When fireworks explode, we hear the delayed sound energy because the fireworks exploded so well built up and the speed of light is faster than the speed of sound.
A flag flapping in a strong breeze.
Layers of strong breeze start with unequal haste on the two sides of the cotton flag. Due to it, there will be unequal pressure on the two flags, which leads to flapping. Then sound energy is created.
Meat sizzling on the grill.
When meat is sizzling, we have high heat on a grill. It makes a sound and turns brown, bursting up with water via oil to prepare a sizzling sound.
A radio.
Electromagnetic radio waves convert to mechanical shutter in the speaker. When radio ingests radio waves, then sound energy waves created.
A waterfall.
Low, high, and medium sound energies are formed in waterfall because waterfall of enormous volume from huge height impact by changing depth of water.
A whistle.
Blowing a whistle forces air via the mouth, then the air enters the whistle and escapes from a hole on the other end, creating audible sound energy in the whistle. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.